Hey, what's up? It's Pat Para, and in this video I want to talk about a cool way you can make money to practice freestyling. Maybe you're not that good at freestyling yet, but there's actually a cool way that you can get paid to just practice your freestyle skills. It's something that I've been doing to make a little money. I was recently married, and I'm always looking for new ways of making money to be able to take my wife out, and it's even helping pay rent and stuff like that. And it's not only a cool way to make money freestyling, it's also a cool way to make money while taking like online courses on Udemy or Skillshare, like where you can listen to audiobooks and always be learning. But I like to use it to practice freestyling and coming up with rhythms and flow patterns for songs. Now in this video, we're not going to talk about making money freestyling on Twitch. You can totally do that. You can start a YouTube channel, make money just practicing freestyling, maybe get ad revenue or sell freestyle rap related products. But I'm not going to talk about that in this video. I'm going to talk about a way to get paid to freestyle that you might not have heard of. So in my past jobs, I've always been looking for jobs where I could be left alone, where I could get paid to work on other things, right? I used to work overnight at a group home where I would sometimes work during the day, but that was really hard. I liked working with the kids. I would teach the kids how to rap, I would teach the kids how to freestyle, but then sometimes I wanted to work overnight so that no one would bother me because the kids were kind of crazy, and some of them were even violent, like they would hit the counselors, and none of them actually hit me ever, but sometimes it was pretty scary. So the most chill time to work was at night when they were all sleeping, and I just had to make sure they were, stayed in bed and stuff. And during that time, I was able to start an online business. I was able to work on my rap products. I was able to just kind of outline different projects that I wanted to do while I was working, and I was able to, build side hustles while I was at work. So those are the kind of jobs I like. Like, I couldn't work a desk job with a boss breathing down my neck. I like to have freedom. All right, so my favorite place to practice freestyling is while I'm in the car. While I'm driving around, just cruising, I'm able to just kind of be in a flow, not really worry about anything. I don't even worry about where I'm going sometimes. I just put on a beat and just freestyle in the car. And that's also where I like to practice verses too. I like to practice my verses, making sure I have my verses down while I'm in the car, just repeating the verses, and also kind of trying to figure out the next lines of songs. So I love doing that while driving around because I feel like there's something very fluid and moving like while you're driving, and then coming up with lyrics and practicing freestyle. It's really fun. It's especially fun practicing with other people, like having my brother. We used to always freestyle in the car. My brother's in New York now. I'm on the West Coast, but we grew up always practicing freestyling, and that's kind of how we got better, just freestyling back and forth. So my favorite place to freestyle is the car, and there's jobs that you can do while you're in the car, like Uber and Lyft and stuff like that. But the only problem is that there's other people in the car with you, and that could get annoying. Like, I wanted to figure out a way where I could freestyle, not have anyone in the car with me. I don't want anyone throwing up in my car. So you might have figured this out, but I found a cool way of making money while driving around without having to have anybody in my car, nobody to bother me. I'm able to just be in my own zone. I could listen to audiobooks, I could take courses and practice freestyling and making my songs, and that's with food delivery apps like Uber Eats, there's Caviar, there's Postmates, and those are the three that I use. I know there's a lot more like DoorDash, but those are the three that I use, like Uber Eats, Postmates, and Caviar. And doing food delivery jobs like that, I'm able to drive around, talk to friends, take courses, and practice freestyling and making songs, all while I'm getting paid. I'm getting paid to do all these things, and it's not a lot of money. Sometimes it's like $15 to up to $25 an hour, so it's not a lot of money, but it's really cool for doing something that I was going to do anyway. Instead of staying in the home talking to a friend, if I'm going to talk to a friend, I know I'm going to be talking to him for an hour, I could go out driving and make money while I'm talking to my friend. Or if me and my girl want to go out to eat and we're like, we're trying to conserve money, we go do a couple drives and then we'll go out to eat because we made enough money to be able to go out to eat. So yeah, it's a cool option to have if you want to make money without anybody bothering you, while you can freestyle, take courses, listen to audiobooks, and just educate yourself and just get better at rapping. So it's a cool way to do that, especially if you have like a girlfriend or mom who's like, yo, you need to be making money, I don't care about your rap career, you need to make money. You can just go do this and make money while you are rapping and freestyling. So I hope you like that idea. If you do like the idea and you want to sign up for Postmates or Uber, I have bonuses below where you'll get paid like $400 if you do like 40 to 50 jobs in 30 days, which is, you could do that in like 5 days, or you can do that in a week if you wanted to. You'll get guaranteed $400 on Postmates. I think Uber gives you like $150 up to $1,000 bonus for joining. And so a lot of people just join for the bonuses. They just work the 1 month or the 2 months for the bonuses, and then they quit. So you could do that. You could just try it out, get the bonuses if you want with Uber. And then I think Caviar gives like a $50 to $100 bonus. And these bonuses are all dependent on what area you live and what area you are doing this. So you can check in with your area to see what kind of bonus you're going to get. But you'll be able to get those bonuses with the links below. And also it supports the channel because I get a referral bonus, and they pay me between $25 to $50 per referral for just referring someone. So that helps the channel if you want to help the channel. But yeah, it's a cool way to make money. I really enjoy it. So obviously, if you don't have a car, this might not be for you. There are people like Jermaine Ellis on YouTube who rent cars to be able to do this because he's able to make so much money. So it's worth it for him to rent a car. And if you sign up with Uber or Postmates, they do give huge discounts on car rentals. So that's why Jermaine does it. And yeah, he has a YouTube channel. But ideally, if you have a car already, it's probably a lot easier. I'm using my wife's Prius, so it has good gas mileage. So it's not a big deal for me to drive it around too much. But yeah, I think it's a cool way to make money. It's not the best place to write songs, but it's great for practicing freestyling, because writing songs, I like to kind of just be in a place where I could write safely and just kind of be in my own zone. But with freestyling, it's great for kind of freestyling and recording ideas for songs. So thanks for watching. If you liked the video, press the like button. If you know someone needs to make money, an artist who wants to make money while they're working on their career, while they want to practice, please send this video to them, share it with them, and let me know if you know any other ways of making money while you're in the stage of practicing freestyling. Maybe you're not that confident yet, but you want to get better at freestyling and you want to get paid to just kind of practice and just make money while you're getting better. Let me know if you know any other ways of doing that besides YouTube and like Twitch. All right, thanks again. Bye.